Hey guys, Andrew Shank here at Pro Tour Fox on Instagram. I got the opportunity to take a look and use Legacy Industrial's Gyp-Coat this weekend on a trailer that I have. So I wanted to do a quick video and how-to on what I did. The product is amazing. It is a super tough epoxy that is formulated for wall coverings. Here we are showing you some of the products that I used to finish out the trailer and the inside walls. Gyp-Coat is a two-part component water-based hybrid epoxy for vertical surfaces. It's uniquely formulated for adhesion to painted, raw gypsum board, wallboard, concrete, and wood. It offers good chemical resistance to common automotive fluid and lubricants. Features fast return to service and great cleanability, and also has a really long pot life and working time. One thing I wanted to add, my application took 2 coats of this product for the walls, so I would definitely plan on at least 2 coats when you try it out. Check out all of Legacy Industrial's products at legacyindustrial.co. Legacy Industrial is the nation's forefront supplier of concrete floor maintenance products, coating kits, concrete sealers, polyurea coatings, concrete repair kits, water-based stains, and decorative concrete products.